My name's Sinjin Holloway, and I am going to talk about the generator and how it is going to arrive at your home, what it's going to look like, some of the features that you're going to want to play with as you get it and when you take it out of the box for the first time. So let's get started. It comes with a cord, comes with a hand crank, comes with a generator. So here it is. We're going to take it out of its plastic covering. Every single unit comes with a cover on the top. This is really important. It's going to keep the dust out of it when you're storing it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to turn the unit on. So you're going to look for the power button right next to the LCD screen. You're going to press it and you're going to hold it for 3 seconds. This is really important. Alright? Alright. It's going to light up the screen and then it's going to check the battery and decide what's going on. Defaults to 99 hours and 59 minutes. This means that the unit is full. So on the right we have the USB ports. There are 4 USB ports and they are all smart USB ports. So if you have any device, a cell phone, a tablet, camera, anything like that, plug it into any one of the USB ports and it will automatically detect the current that that device needs. This is where we get to manage all of the power out from the unit. Alright, there are 2 main sections to this. There's a DC section and there's an AC section, just like the original unit. On the AC section we have a GFI outlet and a switch. You need to press this switch in order for the GFI outlet to go live. The next section on the output is the DC section. This is the same as the previous unit. We have 1 cigarette lighter. You're going to take any 12-volt appliance, plug it in just like you would in your car. And the next section is Anderson poles. Now you'll notice that these Anderson poles are set up differently to the Anderson poles on the charging side. The reason is so that you don't take the charging cord and plug it into the output Anderson poles by mistake. There are, once again, 2 types of input. One is DC, one is AC. First we're going to talk about the DC. Now the DC allows you to put in 12 to 50 volts at any given time. Okay, so we are going to talk about accessories that come with the generator for a second now. First one we're going to talk about is the hand crank. Super simple. You got 2 little plugs there, a red one and a black one. They're called Anderson poles. You're going to plug them into the exact same ones on the input side of the unit. Okay, so all you're going to do is you're just going to start cranking. You'll see that red light there. That means that you are creating current or you're making power. The next thing we're going to talk about is the solar panel. So you will have gotten a 20-foot cord with the generator package and you will have gotten a 100-watt foldable solar panel. Alright, so as you can see here we have the solar panel. We are going to plug in the panel. Okay, you take the little black cap off and you're just going to see red, black, and you just join the 2 colors and voila, it joins together. And then all you're going to do is you're going to uncap this side, same thing, red and black, and you're going to line them up and in she goes. Now that we've plugged the solar panel in, you can see that it says it's full and then it says right there on the right DC in, so direct current in. So it's registering that the solar panel is charging it. You can put the panel up against the window. It's not going to be as efficient. It'll lose about 20%, but it will still charge the unit over time. That's really important. You can run this inside. There are no fumes. You don't have to worry about it being unsafe, and you can still have power in an emergency, which is really, really cool. What we've done is we've gotten a couple of items that would be found in your home, and we're going to test them out, show you how to plug them in. First off, we're going to do the most important one, and that is light. So we've got this lovely little light here. We're going to turn on the unit, so hold it for 3 seconds, wait for it to beep. There it goes. It's going to do its magic and tell us how much power we have. There we go. We're now going to turn the inverter on. Okay, and we're going to plug it in. Now remember, this is a GFI, so you're going to have to make sure that you put the plug in the right way. The best way to do it is just put it in at a 90-degree angle. It'll unlock it and you push down. And that's it. Turn the light on. This here is just a regular light bulb, so I'm going to show it to you. It's a little bit bright, but I'll give you an idea. It's just a regular incandescent light bulb, 60 watts. So what you would expect on this is about 10 hours of runtime. Alright, so we're going to now run the refrigerator and learn how this works. So as you can see inside, the light's on, it's working. We're going to unplug it and act like the power's gone off, and then we're going to plug in the unit and let it run. So, I come back here, I'm going to take that plug out. We're going to turn on the unit. Okay, we're then going to plug it in. We're going to turn on the generator and we should see the light come on. Now, your light's working, the fridge is running, you shut the door, and your food is going to stay cold. Well, I hope that I have been able to help you understand a little bit more about the generator. It is a great tool to have in your arsenal for preparing for the end of days. I hope that you'll use this for all of the different things in your home life. For camping, for recreation, for play, for preparedness. This is a great tool for you to have fun, get close to your family, and to be able to make sure that you can feel safe if there's an emergency and if there's no power.